A part Pak study. Geopolitical importance of Pakistan. 1. Pakistan is geopolitically important because it connects A. Europe and Africa. B. South Asia, Central Asia or Middle East. C. East Asia and Europe. D. Africa and Asia. Answer B. Though. Which C increases Pakistan's strategic importance? A. Red Sea. B. Black Sea. C. Arabian Sea. D. Mediterranean Sea. Answer C. 3. Pakistan provides the shortest trade route for Central Asian states to the sea through A. Iran. B. Afghanistan. C. Gwadar Port. D. Turkey. Answer C. 4. Gwadar Port is located in which province? A. Sindh. B. Punjab. C. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. D. Balochistan. Answer D. Punch. Which country lies to the east of Pakistan? A. Iran. B. Afghanistan. C. India. D. China. Answer C. Che. Pakistan shares its western border mainly with A. China. B. India. C. Afghanistan or Iran. D. Russia. Answer C. 7. The China-Pakistan Economic Corridor (CPEC) connects China with A. Karachi Port. B. Port Qasim. C. Gwadar Port. D. Jivani Port. Answer C. 8. Pakistan's location makes it important for which international trade route? A. Silk Route Modern. B. Atlantic Route. C. Arctic Route. D. Pacific Route. Answer A. No. Which neighboring country shares the longest border with Pakistan? A. China. B. India. C. Iran. D. Afghanistan. Answer D. Thus, Pakistan's geopolitical importance increased after A. Creation of SARC. B. Cold War. C. Formation of UNO. D. World War I. Answer B. 11. Pakistan played a key role during the Cold War as a member of A. NATO. B. SEATO or CENTO. C. ASEAN. D. EU. Answer B. 12. Which factor does not contribute to Pakistan's geopolitical importance? A. Strategic location. B. Natural harbors. C. Agricultural production. D. Trade routes. Answer C. 13. Pakistan acts as a bridge between A. Europe and Asia. B. Africa and Asia. C. Middle East and South Asia. D. America and Asia. Answer C. 14. Which mountain pass is important for trade with China? A. Khyber Pass. B. Bolan Pass. C. Khunjera Pass. D. Toki Pass. Answer C. 15. Pakistan's coastline is approximately A. 500 km. B. 700 km. C. 1046 km. D. 1500 km. Answer C. 16. Pakistan's strategic importance is closely linked with which ocean? A. Atlantic Ocean. B. Indian Ocean. C. Pacific Ocean. D. Arctic Ocean. Answer B. 17. Which organization highlights Pakistan's role in regional cooperation? A. EU. B. SARC. C. NATO. D. OPEC. Answer B. 18. Pakistan's geographical position is important mainly due to A. Large population. B. Military power. C. Trade, defense or diplomacy. D. Agriculture. Answer C. 19. Which country is Pakistan's strategic partner due to geopolitical interests? A. Japan. B. China. C. Brazil. D. Australia. Answer B. 20. Geopolitical importance means A. Political history. B. Physical beauty. C. Importance due to location or politics. D. Economic development. Answer C. F. Part Pak study. Water resources or irrigation system of Pakistan. MCQS with answers. 1. The main source of irrigation in Pakistan is A. Rainfall. B. Tube wells. C. Canals. D. Lakes. Answer C. Though the Indus River originates from A. Hindu Kush. B. Karakoram Range. C. Tibetan Plateau near Lake Mansarovar. D. Himalayas. Answer C. Teen. Which river is the longest river of Pakistan? A. Jhelum. B. Chenab. C. Ravi. D. Indus. Answer D. Char. Pakistan has the world's largest contiguous irrigation system, known as A. Indus Water System. B. Canal network. C. River basin system. D. Green system. Answer A. Punch. Which of the following rivers is not included in the Indus River system? A. Jhelum. B. Chenab. C. Ravi. D. Kabul. Answer D. Che. The Indus Water Treaty was signed between Pakistan and India in A. 1947, B. 1956, C. 1960, D. 1971. Answer C. 7. Under the Indus Water Treaty, Pakistan received control of A. Eastern rivers, B. Western rivers, C. All rivers, D. None. Answer B. 8. Which are the western rivers of Pakistan? A. Ravi, B. Satluj, B. Indus, Jhelum, Chenab. C. Ravi, Chenab, Indus. D. Satluj, B. Jhelum. Answer B. No. Tabela Dam is built on the river. A. Jhelum. B. Chenab. C. Indus. D. Kabul. Answer C. Thus, Mangla Dam is located on the river A. Indus. B. Jhelum. C. Chenab. D. Ravi. Answer B. 11. The main purpose of dams in Pakistan is A. Tourism. B. Flood control or irrigation. C. Fishing. D. Transportation. Answer B. 12. Which province depends most on canal irrigation? A. Balochistan. B. Sindh. C. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. D. Gilgit-Baltistan. Answer B. 13. Kare's irrigation system is mostly found in A. Punjab. B. Sindh. C. Balochistan. D. KP. Answer C. 14. Tube wells are mainly used in A. Mountainous areas. B. Desert areas. C. Indus Plain. D. Coastal areas. Answer C. 15. Which irrigation method uses underground water channels? A. Canal irrigation. B. Tube well irrigation. C. Kare's system. D. Sprinkler irrigation. Answer C. Solar. Pakistan's agriculture heavily depends on A. Rainwater. B. Irrigation system. C. Forests. D. Lakes. Answer B. 17. Which barrage is located in Sindh? A. Rasool Barrage. B. Trimmu Barrage. C. Sukkur Barrage. D. Baloki Barrage. Answer C. 18. The major problem of irrigation in Pakistan is A. Salinity or waterlogging. B. Excess rainfall. C. Short canals. D. High temperature. Answer A. 19. Which dam is the largest earth-filled dam in Pakistan? A. Varsak. B. Mangla. C. Tabela. D. Hub. Answer B. Bees. Water resources are important for A. Industry only. B. Agriculture only. C. Agriculture, power or domestic use. D. Transportation. Answer C. Pak Study G Part. MCQSC ports of Pakistan with answers. Which is the largest and busiest seaport of Pakistan? A. Port Qasim. B. Vadar Port. C. Ormara Port. D. Karachi Port. Answer D. Karachi Port. Youth for Pakistan. Which seaport in Pakistan is located in Balochistan? A. Karachi Port. B. Port Qasim. C. Vadar Port. D. Lahore Port. Answer C. Vadar Port. Youth for Pakistan. The deep water port of Pakistan that is considered strategically important is A. Ormara Port. B. Port Qasim. C. Vadar Port. D. Pesni Port. Answer C. Vadar Port. Youth for Pakistan. Which seaport is considered Pakistan's second busiest port? A. Vadar Port. B. Port Qasim. C. Ormara Port. D. Pesni Port. Answer B. Port Qasim. Youth for Pakistan. The Karachi port is located on which body of water? A. Arabian Sea. B. Bay of Bengal. C. Gulf of Oman. D. Persian Gulf. Answer A. Arabian Sea. Youth for Pakistan. Gwadar Port is located at the mouth of which important waterway? A. Strait of Hormuz. B. Malacca Strait. C. Panama Canal. D. Suez Canal. Answer A. Strait of Hormuz. Youth for Pakistan. Which seaport in Pakistan is known for its fishery and harbor activities? A. Vadar Port. B. Pesni Port. C. Ormara Port. D. Port Qasim. Answer B. Pesni Port. Youth for Pakistan. Ormara Port is located in which province? A. Sindh. B. Balochistan. C. Punjab. D. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Answer B. Balochistan. Youth for Pakistan. Which seaport is known for handling export of rice, sugar, and steel? A. Vadar Port. B. Ormara Port. C. Port Qasim. D. Pesni Port. Answer C. Port Qasim. Youth for Pakistan. The development of Gwadar Port is part of which strategic initiative? A. SARC. B. China-Pakistan Economic Corridor CPEC. C. ASEAN. D. ECO. Answer B. China-Pakistan Economic Corridor CPEC. Youth for Pakistan.